Hello everyone, welcome back to the Real Car Coding Job series. In today's video, we're working on a real case. After replacing the backup camera module, RFK, RVC, the system shows incorrect VIN, coding mismatch, camera malfunction. The customer installed a used module from another vehicle. Because of that, the VIN stored inside the module does not match this car. Today, we will correct the VIN, perform coding, synchronize the module, and complete calibration using C4. Let's get started. Now that we've confirmed the issue, let's proceed step by step to restore proper system operation. Before starting the procedure, make sure the following tools and software are prepared: Mercedes-Benz C4 Diagnostic Interface, Xentry Diagnostic Software, DTS, Monaco Engineering Software, Stable Power Supply, recommended during coding. In this video, we use C4 together with Xentry and DTS Monaco to perform VIN correction, coding, synchronization, and calibration. Using proper diagnostic equipment ensures stable communication and avoids unnecessary programming errors. If you would like to learn more about Mercedes coding, diagnostics, and module programming in depth, we offer a dedicated Mercedes-Benz technical book series designed specifically for workshop technicians and advanced users. Now that the tools and software are ready, let's start the procedure step by step. Step 1. Correct VIN. Step 2. Connect and unlock EZS. Step 3. Connect and unlock RVC. Step 4. Coding RVC. Step 5. Synchronize variant coding, true. Step 6. Clear DTC. Step 7. Calibration RFK. After completing VIN correction, coding, synchronization, and calibration, the system is now operating normally. The backup camera displays correctly, no fault codes are present, and all functions respond as expected. The vehicle is now fully restored to proper working condition. If you need support with coding, module replacement, VIN correction, or any vehicle-related issues, feel free to contact us for fast and professional assistance. We also provide remote, online support services for multiple vehicle brands.